Outdoor, it's yours. Yes, the outdoor is yours. Oh my God. This is the unboxing. Actually, the title says everything. Unboxing of the Dome pizza oven from Gozney. So, voila! To the best pizza channel. Look what we have here. You ready, Papa? What we gonna make? What we gonna make?
A pizza.
Yeah, let's go. So, sit right here. Sit. Okay, so guys, take a look what we have here today. Boom, baby. Today, whoa. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 boxes, and today I'm going to do an amazing unbox of, everybody knows, the new Dome. The pizza oven from Gozney. I'm excited, really, like a little kid, to show you what's inside this box. It's really amazing, good looking boxes. Now, let me open this one and you go inside, okay?
Si.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, we're gonna start really quick with the small boxes. I can tell already from the first box, woo, everything nice and made a pizza rocket. Nice, good looking peel. A complete kit to make pizzas at home. I think nothing is missing to make pizzas. Voila! The peel to put the pizza, the peel to take out the pizzas. Fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and open everything up and then we're gonna talk about all the equipment once everything is open. I love to do unboxing, I'm excited. Wow, take a look how those boxes are made. Amazing, are sealed and packages of like from here you see that this is a good quality product. Dough cutter. I'm gonna save all this because they look so good that I don't want to throw it away. Wow, boom, amazing. Wow, guys, I mean, take a look at the box. Wow, this is the dough scraper. Outstanding. Let's finish up. Let's continue to unbox Dome cover. And this is the this is the stand. Wow. This is the stand. Like I said, those are really well made, well packaged, and actually it's really good quality. I can tell right now they're heavy. Here is the dough scraper. Outstanding. This is really good and really needed when you cut the pizza or you take out the it's always useful. A knife just won't cut it. Well, yeah, that's wow. Wow, it's really sharp. Man, this is also good quality. It's really heavy. I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say the heavier, but it's really heavy. This is perfect to cut the pizza. We're gonna see it maybe in a different episode. After the unboxing video, we're gonna do the review of Dome. So let's go ahead. But for that, you're gonna watch the next video. Let's go ahead. Done well, not well done. Digital thermometer. Nice. I mean, take a look of this thermometer. Fantastic, good quality material thermometer to measure the temperature inside the oven. Let's go ahead. They put the battery on the side. I mean, it's complete. Usually they don't put the battery, but these guys, they even put the battery. I mean, guys, you see these little things, but for this one, we don't need it. The company, you know what I'm saying? the quality, everything. Voila. It works well. The last small box, the dome cover. Whatever the weather. I love the sayings on the boxes. The outdoor is yours. Yes, the outdoors, it's yours. Boom, baby. Wow, I never saw this oven before. I only saw the pictures and everything, but I'm interested on the size of this oven. Wow. I love the color of the cover because it's brown the first time. Wow, well made cover. We need to protect our oven like it's our kids. Let's jump on the big things. Let's go ahead, the oven at the end. The oven at the end, let's go ahead, let's build the stand. So first thing to do here is we have to, for sure, we're gonna build this, and I don't think it's gonna be hard. We're gonna put all the pieces line up. The dome manual instruction. What is this? If it's simple, whew, I'm gonna go ahead and build it myself. I really, again, I'm sorry if I repeat this, but it's good quality material. Set the scene. Just set the scene. The outdoor, it's yours. Yes, the outdoor is yours. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna open up everything, put all the pieces, line up, and let's build this beast out. I mean, guys, take a look. They even give you the tools. Voila, guys. We have all what we need. So let's go ahead. Let's figure out how to build this beast. Guys, you know what I love the most in this? There is no screws from the back, so you just put it in like that, wait, and just like that, easily go ahead, and you can, from here, you just screw it up, screw the thing inside there, and voila, the stand is very easy to build. Super easy, already with the hole inside. You just go ahead, it's already prepared for you. See the hole there, put right here, and that's easily you just go ahead and screw inside the wood. The last piece of the puzzle, boom, and boom, voila. Guys, the stand, it's built. This is not like IKEA stuff, man. It's quality screws, quality tools. I think I'm gonna watch the manual if I did everything correct. But guys, I did everything without manual. This is the stand, how it looks like. Let me show you a little bit better. It's amazing, good quality. Take a look at this. Like to lift it up, pull it towards you, and boom. Let's put it right here. Look at this. Even one end. Voila. This way you can save some space. It's with the brakes. Comes with the brakes. Sorry, oh, almost loose. This is still extra screws, but amazing. Amazing. Now it's time for the oven. Tell me what you think on the comments. The moment of the big piece right here. The moment of the big piece. I'm gonna go ahead and open up. Let's see what's inside the box. Dome. Oh, even the instruction how to open up a box. Woo! Boom, baby! Voila! Wow, take a look how it looks. I want to show you in the front part. Whew! Oh my God. Are you guys ready? Oh, 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 voila! Sorry, but I'm too excited. I know I say, wow, wow, no, wow. Look at this. They even give you the thing to open the box. This way you don't screw up anything. So let's go ahead. Let's use this beast. Let me get you close because you guys deserve to see this closely. Let me show you closely. So this is a technical manual. This shows everything, how to plug it in, build, cure the oven. Well, I know all these things. So let's go ahead and let me put that there. A letter from Gozney. Enjoy a professional grade outdoor oven, expertly engineered to work effortlessly for beginners and exceptionally for chefs. Well guys, thank you so much Gozney to create this beast. Anyway guys, check out the link in description, link right here to get this beast out. Okay brother, so first of all we have to put the stand straight, brakes in on the stand. We don't want to walk since the oven is down. Get the oven, 2%. They even give you this. Guys, this is very important. Right, lift it up. Wait. Alza. Okay, wait. Okay, good. Now let's place it on top. Go, piano. Wait. Figure out what is the thing there. Yes, right there in the center. Wait. Okay, it's in place. Lascia attenzione. This is in place. So you go ahead and screw it in, screw this in, voila, tight. Okay, this way the oven, when you move it around and lift it up, it doesn't go anywhere. So this one is like a safety screw. So guys, are you ready? Smash the like, let's go, it's free. And then if you're new, go ahead, subscribe. But most of all, please share. So I'm about to open this beast. Whoa! Boom, baby! Voila! Wow! What a line! Wow! More boxes inside, and we're gonna go ahead and see what are those? But probably it's gonna be the gas burner. Wow! Unbelievable! I'm so happy to have one of these in my house. Wow, I see two holes right there. Okay. Let's open up those boxes more and see what's inside. Done with the box. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Let's build these things out. And after I'm gonna give you a close-up of everything inside, outside. So wait until the end. Wait until the end. Don't escape. Where are you going? Invest your time. This channel is for pizza lovers, guys. Voila. The gas usually is under. Let's check it out. Gas, where are you? So guys, it's right here, the gas. So this is a safety if you want to close it, not using it. So let's go ahead. Let's open up this little thing here because I'm gonna use it with gas. And this, I guess, you just plug it in. Hold the oven, voila. The gas option is done. I'm gonna get the gas can in a little bit. It's perfect size for the gas. Let's go ahead, let's plug this in. Okay guys, so what I noticed here in the back of the oven, I unscrewed those. Well, of course I check out the manual, and then because to light up the oven you have to actually put the battery inside this this little thing that is inside right there. So go ahead, unscrew that and screw it back in, and now the gas, the lighter for the gas, it will go automatically on. And now the gas, see, now works. Voila, the oven, boom, the flame, it's on. You got different type of flame. So basically don't worry about if it takes a little bit to warm up completely. Not to warm up completely, sorry. It takes a little bit to fire up and light up for the first time. So I was worried that the gas was no gas or something was not working right. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off like that. And then when you are sure that goes on, just take the time, because it's gonna take time to, when you do this, when you turn it on for the first time. So go ahead and put this on right there. This oven is dual, so gas and wood works fantastically. Most importantly is the easy to work. That's what we're looking for, the easy way to make the best pizza at your house. So of course we're gonna make that in watch my next video that is coming out probably tomorrow, and it's about review this oven. So we're going to cook the pizza with gas and wood and see how this beast will cook the pizzas. If it's looks fantastic, but we have to see also if it works fantastic, because if we have the best combination, this is the right oven for you. So I can't wait to review this oven. Unfortunately I cannot do it today because it takes it needs to be cured, the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure for a couple of days, and that basically turn it on the oven at minimum temperature, and voila, you cure the oven for a couple of days, minimum gas temperature. And then I would have put also a couple of pieces of wood to just warm up a little bit more the stone. So guys, this was my unboxing review, unboxing of the dome from Gozney. So thank you so much Gozney for this amazing for creating this amazing oven. Guys, if you check it out, check out the link in description of everything about this oven, and let's go ahead and let's go prepare the dough. Guys, check out my channel, go ahead, subscribe, it's free, and check out my channel, it's all about pizza. Thank you so much and enjoy pizza. I'll see you later. Of course, put the cover when the oven is cold. Otherwise, you're gonna burn. Otherwise, you're gonna burn the oven, the stand, the clothes. You're gonna burn the cover. Voila. Tie this up. There we go. Even the. Oh my God. Voila. Take off the bricks. And guys, I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like. Let's go.